Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King, and in this video I am going to show you how I made a crisscross backdrop. So this is a double layer design, and I've already put on the platelet sequin, and now I'm adding on 6 4-way stretch panels. When you create this design, you want to make sure you don't have the pole showing at the top. So right here, I'm measuring to try to get the widths the same, but because I'm adding florals to the top, I'm not going to have to worry about those gaps. And I apologize for the video not showing everything, or really showing the top of the design, but I am using zip ties. And a lot of people told me that when they're putting on the flowers that it leans forward. I experienced that as well. I experienced the flowers leaning forward, but just use a whole lot of zip ties. So I never leave the floral rolls plain. I always insert flowers, and then sometimes I insert greenery to give it a more realistic look. So if you get the flower rolls, don't leave it plain and flat. Make it look more realistic by adding in additional flowers or even some greenery. But I don't think I'm going to add in greenery with this, just some additional flowers. I add in roses and I add in hydrangeas. Now I'm putting on the pole covers, one for each pole. And now I'm showing you how I put the bottom bar on. So I got this from Nose. She is on YouTube. So what you do is you use zip ties to put the additional crossbar at the bottom. So I'm starting in the middle, just wrapping the fabric around the bottom bar. I am going to pin it to give it a neat look. If you're not putting a table in front of it, you want to pin it to keep the fabric in place and give it a neater look. And I've even seen people stretch a piece of panel along the bottom to cover up any imperfections at the bottom. Okay, so I was concerned that I didn't pull this over. Like, this panel right here should be attached to the center. And I was concerned because it didn't look like it was attached to the center, because I know when I start doing the other side, I need half for the other 3 panels that are left over. So I was able to just push this over so that I can ensure that it's enough room for the other side. So I hope that makes sense. Okay. So with this design, I am giving it like a weave effect where I'm going under, over, under, and then I'm just going to alternate with each panel to give it that weave look. This is how it turned out. Let me hear from you in the comments. What do you think of this design? Feel free to ask questions, and also check the description or the pinned comment for any upcoming trainings that I have. I do have a design only training coming at the end of this month. It is virtual, and I have a lot of products available at a lot of different price points. Again, thank you for watching. Until I see you next time. Bye.